everybody, today I'll be teaching you all the step cross 1, 2, 3 turn. This is the last move I will be teaching you before I teach you an actual whole dance, so make sure you get it down really good. I'd like to thank everybody, all of our subscribers, and all you guys who watch for watching and subscribing, and now let's get into it. So if you haven't already watched the 1, 2, 3 and the step cross 1, 2, 3 videos, you'll probably want to watch that before you attempt this. First I'll show you how to do this, and then I'll break it down. Okay, so let's just work on the turn. You have to remember to really stay on your toes. So let's turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now to the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now to the right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just go back and replay that part as many times as you need to till you get it right. And now we will add in the step cross 1, 2, 3 to that. A really important thing to remember about this is if you step cross 1, 2, 3 in one direction, you will turn in the other direction every time. Okay, so now we're going to do the whole entire thing, starting step cross 1, 2, 3 in to the right. Step cross 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step cross 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step cross 1, 2, 3 to the left. And you go right, left, right, left, right, left. Step cross 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step cross 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step cross 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So going to the right again. Step cross 1, 2, 3, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, cross 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, cross 1, 2, 3, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, cross 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right, left. So now I'll do it in the speed which it's normally done in. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to really focus on doing your 1, 2, 3s right as you go into the turn. And I post these dance videos every Thursday, and we post Wild West Ranch exclusives every Saturday. Thank you so much for watching if I haven't said it yet before, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already.